Hey, good morning, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 86, I believe. Today is a Saturday, so we did get our earnings last night. Didn't get a chance to make the video, but I'm going to make one here for you guys today. I got a couple things that came in. So first of all, the earnings yesterday was 0.35%. So I made $59.48 on the money I've invested. And early this morning, I got a referral bonus because one of my team members, his investment expired and his earnings for his investment auto reinvested. So I got 9% of that, which is $36.09. So yeah, yesterday I made like $96, $97, guys, in total. If you want to just add up what I made in that period of time. Well, yesterday and today, I guess, because I got it early this morning. But but any event, guys, my account, if we go over to the investments section here, there we go. And we scroll down here, we'll see the totality of my account. So I have $22,125.58 is my principal, and now I have $594.16, and then adding on the bonus, which is $38.59, and you guys can see I have about maybe $635, $640 in there, somewhere in there. So yeah, $635. Or let's just say $630 to $635. So that's my totality of my account, guys. Getting closer and closer to the goal here. Well, the goal in the next little while. 25,000. Of course, I eventually want to get to 50,000, but that won't come for a while. So yeah, things are moving along real well. If you guys are searching on Google and YouTube for S Group and wanting more information, check my channel, guys. You can see I have a couple videos in there explaining S Group, the history of the company, and how everything works. I got a couple videos in there that are put together by my sponsor, and they're really informative. So you could check those out on my channel, or you could check all the other videos. S Group is an investment company where you invest your money in various areas, whether it's forex, S pharmaceutical, SIPO, liquidity mining, whatever area you want to invest your money in, you can go ahead and do so. And the money you have invested will start earning for you, and you won't have to worry about looking at the markets or figuring out your strategies and such. The bot that is included with S Group does everything for you automatically. So it's pretty exciting, guys. Highly suggest you guys get involved in this because I started 2 years ago and I've made money every single day between Monday and Friday, which is when the forex market is open, and it does the trading for you. So yeah, you just put it in there, you just let it ride, guys. I started in these first couple levels here, and then I saw how great it was, so I started building my money all the way up to $5,000. So it took me about 6 months to get to this level with the money that I've made plus the money I put into the system over the 6-month period. And then yeah, I just been letting it ride ever since, guys. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is in the description down below, and you guys can shoot me an email. I'd love to hear from you guys, talk to you guys about S Group, and see everything, all the different questions you have. I have my phone with me, so I get the emails right away, guys. So yeah, and there's also a sign up link down below. You can join my team, and once you do join, you can just click on or you can shoot me an email, I should say, and let me know you joined. Let me know what country you're from, and we can start having a discussion about S Group and getting your account funded. And you just start earning money like I have been doing day by day here, guys. If you check my notification bell, you can see the history of my account, all the money that I've been earning. So it's pretty exciting, guys. So anyways, I'm getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button down below, so that way you can subscribe to my channel and you can be informed of all my future videos that I have with S Group. Click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just want to do this quick daily 5-minute review video so we can tell you guys my of my earnings for the next little while. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.